What is gate psychology? Have you heard of this? If you are watching this video, then it's pretty sure that you are associated with psychology in some or the other way, but you don't have any idea about this thing. What is gate psychology, how and what it is happening, as well as you might have little idea about UGC, NET, JRF. You might have slightest of the idea of this thing, but you don't have any idea about gate psychology. So in this video we will discuss what is gate psychology, and this will be a series of videos. In the next video we will be discussing about the eligibility for gate psychology examination and then paper pattern and then likewise. All right, so make sure that you watch this complete gate series on our channel, and as well as if you have not yet subscribed the channel, make sure that you subscribe the channel as well as. Okay, so let's suppose we are right now at zero position. We have no idea what's going on, what it is there. So we are at the zero level. We are at the basic level, not basic. We are at the beginner level, we can say right now. We don't have any idea about what is gate psychology, but yeah, we know this thing that there is something called psychology, and you would be or you might be somewhere in your bachelor's or in your master's with this subject associated. Okay. All right. So for the information, what you have to do is, let's assume that you are giving gate 2025. You are interested in gate 2025 oblique 26 oblique 27, whatever the year you are watching this video. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to just go on to google.com, and then you will type GATE 2025 if you are giving this time, 2026 if for the next time, and 2027 for the after that. Okay, so what will happen is the first website which you will see, you just have to click on that website. The very first website which you will see will be of some IIT, IIT Roorkee this time, and IIT Kharagpur, IIT whatever it is. So you will click on that website, and rest all the information which you are needed, which you are looking for, is available on this website. Okay, so what we have done right now is this. All right, so this is the information brochure for your GATE 2025 examination. So if you are aiming for this, you can go on the website, this website, and then you can download the information brochure from there. All right, okay, so we don't know what is GATE and what is psychology and what it is happening. So this is graduate aptitude test in engineering 2025. So they are referring about engineering, but why we are here? We are from humanities. So let's explore this thing, what it is happening over here. All right, okay, so these are some dates which we will be referring in our upcoming videos, but the point of this video is sincerely about what is GATE. Okay, so you will come over here and then you will click on the introduction. Then you will find out that this is the introduction. Graduate aptitude engineering, this is connected by whom? On behalf of National Coordination Board, NCB GATE, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. All right, okay, and now they have given the qualifying in GATE is mandatory requirement for seeking admission or financial assistance to engineering, technology, architecture, and doctoral programs in relevant branches, which is useful for you. Okay, because you might be looking some for some PhD, or maybe then this scholarship, assistantship. The GATE qualification is mandatory. Okay, as well as many public sector undertakings have been using the GATE score. So if you are scoring, if you have a good score in GATE, then you are all guns blazing. Okay, so right now about GATE. Okay, so we will read this simply and we will develop an understanding about this. Graduate aptitude test in engineering, GATE, is a national examination conducted to test the comprehensive understanding of the candidates referring to us or we or you in various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology no, science no, architecture no, and PG level subjects in commerce, arts, humanities. So this is our humanities thing, and you must remember XHC5 if you are giving for GATE 2025 or 2026. Okay, so obviously your code will be XH for humanities, and C5 is your code for what? Is your code for psychology. Okay, all right, and it would be distributed over Saturday first, Saturday, Sunday of February 2025. So these are the exam dates most probably, and which will be happening soon. And the forms are also out. GATE 2025 will not be conducted in centers outside India, but obvious the examination would be a computer based test. All right. Then after that, the GATE score would reflect the relative performance level of the candidate in a particular subject. Note that the GATE 2025 score is valid for 3 years. Alright, so this is important for you, is valid for 3 years. So if you clear this in 2025, so it will be valid till 2028 from the date of announcement of the results. And then no information on the GATE 2025 score will be available after this period. Okay, so after reading this information, what we can infer about GATE psychology? So GATE psychology is an examination which will help for our doctoral programs, which we can say majorly for PhDs and masters. Alright, so GATE psychology is an examination for obviously psychology. The code is what? Code is XHC5, and then what, the exam will be conducted in the computer based format. It will be in the CBT mode. Okay, and these are conducted by whom? Conducted by the various IITs, and the score, the final score which you will be achieving will be valid for what? Will be valid for 3 years. All right. Okay, and when are the exam dates? For this, exam dates are in the month of February. The first and second Saturdays and Sundays, most probably they are conducting the examination from past 4 years. So this will be the fourth year. So they started on 2021 from the Mumbai, then they move 2022, then 2023, and then 2024. All right, so four have already happened, and so now this will be the fifth time that GATE psychology is happening, XHC5. Okay, so now we have somewhat idea. Okay, so this is the, like we can say, the basic understanding about GATE psychology, what it is, how it is. And in the next video we will be discussing about the eligibility. Are you eligible to give this examination or you not, in the next video. So make sure that you watch the next video as well, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss on any information, and make sure to follow this GATE series playlist so that you can watch all the videos at once, video 1, video 2, line wise. And in the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the paper pattern, how it is, as well as how to study, do you need any coaching or not, or what is the syllabus, and all these things will be discussed separately in next videos. So I hope you like the information. You would have gained somewhat knowledge about this examination. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.